Hello
లైవ్
guys.
లైవ్ స్ట్రీమ్ కూడా అవుతుంది. Start the stream.
Okay, hello guys. This is Shravya. So yesterday we have done our interaction session. Today also there will be not much more about Python. It will be just starting with very basics. So don't worry. Yesterday due to some network issues, the class could not happen. But today we will have full-fledged class. I think almost everyone has joined. And a small request from your side, please be interactive. Please respond to me so that I can know that whether you are listening or not.
Okay, ma'am.
Is it clarity today? Is my
Okay,
voice
ma'am.
clarity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Start to basic. Yeah, we'll start from basic only. Don't worry. You'll learn from very basic. Okay. As yesterday I said, today we will be discussing about few topics. Those are intro to computers. First, and what is programming? Why do we need programming? And flowcharts, if codes. First, intro to computers. What is a computer? Just
Ma'am, your
as,
voice is breaking, ma'am.
is it okay now? Hello? Can you hear me now? Oh, even now it's breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now the first topic will be intro to computers. What is a computer? Can anybody define? Yesterday somebody defined it. They can again repeat it, no problem. Okay, as nobody is interested to respond, I'll just start the class again. Computer is nothing but an electronic device that manipulates the input we have given to it and gives us the output. So what is the input to the computer? I wish anybody could respond to me so that I,
Zeros and ones, ma'am.
yeah, zeros and ones, but it's not, we don't give input zeros and ones. We just give actions. But the data is converted into zeros and ones. That is binary form. And this data is combined and processed and gives us output which is understandable to us. It doesn't give the output in zeros and ones. It gives in our own language or in a form of pictures. And this data we see it as websites, games, photos, etc. Now, what a computer is a combination of software plus hardware. Do you know what is the hardware of a computer? Anybody respond? What is the hardware of a computer?
Guys, you can unmute yourself and respond, not in the chat, because she is she opened her notebook, right? So
I can't see your messages, so it's better if you on your mic and say there's no problem. Here nobody knows no one, so there is no problem. Okay, I'll continue. Hardware is nothing but external components like monitor, keyboard, the motherboard inside the computer, mouse, CPU. Uses Windows, Apple uses separate OS. For some Ubuntu users Linux. Like there will be different OS that we use in a computer. So computers will play a very crucial role in our life. Without computer, we can't even spend our day. So you will raise a question. Computer means only laptops or PCs. No. Computer means even our mobile phone is a type of a. Now, there is also one more computer that plays an important role in our life. Can anybody guess that? Yesterday, I think I said you this point. If anybody yesterday listened to the class very perfectly, they can answer. Guys, are you responding? I'll say it. There is another type of computer which plays a crucial role in our life. That those are servers. What are these servers? These are nothing but these are also computers, but these are very big in size and they will be operated by companies, not in our daily lives, not by our normal people. What we get from these servers? We get information from them. That is, they share web pages. Suppose you open a website. Where do you get the website from? You get that website from servers. In offices, they maintain many files. Where these files are stored? They are stored in computer servers. So these servers are also computer, which play very crucial role in our life, but we don't know about them. That we don't care about them in our daily life. And now let's talk about history of the computers. Do you know when did the computer history start? Guys, am I audible?
No, ma'am, your voice is not audible.
Okay. Same network issue. Wait a minute. Is it audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If I'm not audible, somebody please open the mic on the mic and say to me. Okay, now we will discuss about history of computers. There are generally five generations of computers. The first generation will be from 1942 to 1955. In this generation, the computers were very big. They were made from vacuum tubes. And the next generation computers starts from 1955 to 1964. And the third generation computer starts from 1964 to 1975. While the fourth generation computer starts from 1975 to 1999, 1989. The fifth generation, that is the present generation computers, starts from 1989 to present till now. Okay, what is the difference between these generations? I'm saying that there are five generations of computers, but what's the difference between each generation? We'll know now. The first generation, the main difference is the way the computers were made. In each generation, the computers were made with different types of materials. In first generation, computers were made with the help of vacuum tubes. While in the second generation, they were made with the help of transistors. In the third generation, they were made with the help of ICs. ICs are nothing but integrated chips. In the fourth generation, they used ICs. They used ICs, but the ICs technology was differed. That is LSI and VLSI. LSI is nothing but large scale integrated circuits. In the same generation, there are also a new technology called VLSI. People who are from EC branch might know about this. They say VLSI means very large scale integrated circuits. And the fifth generation, that is the present generation, we are using ULSI technology. It is nothing but ultra large scale integrated circuits. So what is the main difference between all these? It is the size and functionality. In the first generation computers, they used vacuum tubes, and the size of the computers were also so big that they dissipated most amount of heat, and the process was also very slow. As they dissipated more amount of heat, they needed more air conditioned rooms. Air conditioned rooms means nothing but ACs. So the heat dissipation, they can cool down the computers. To solve this problem, they next went shifted from vacuum tubes to transistors. When they shifted from vacuum